subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
How to make the perfect burger at home? Well, let's demystify that together, shall we? Picture this: a juicy, tender patty sandwiched between two fluffy buns, layered with the crunchiest of lettuce, the ripest tomatoes, and a perfectly melted slice of cheese. Mouth-watering, isn't it? And the best part? It's a lot simpler to make than you might think. So if you're ready to embark on this culinary adventure, let's dive in. Stick around and you'll be a burger master in no time. A masterpiece starts with quality ingredients. The ensemble cast of this culinary performance includes fresh buns, the unsung heroes that hold everything together. Next, we have quality beef, the heart of the burger, which will be transformed into a juicy, mouth-watering patty. Then we have ripe tomatoes and crispy lettuce, which add a delightful crunch and refreshing balance to the rich flavors. Don't forget the onions. Their tangy sweetness will cut through the savory beef, creating a symphony of flavors. Cheese, our next ingredient, will provide a creamy, melting layer that blankets the patty in comfort. And finally, the secret sauce. A blend of mayonnaise, ketchup, a dash of mustard, and a sprinkle of secret spices. This is the magic potion that ties everything together, adding an unexpected twist to the tale. Got all that? Good, now let's get cooking. The heart of any burger is the patty. Pay attention, this is crucial. In the realm of burger making, the patty is king. It's the heart and soul of your creation, the star of the show. So let's dive into the process of preparing the perfect beef patty. First things first, the seasoning. You'll need a good amount of salt and pepper. Sprinkle it generously over your ground beef. You could add a little garlic powder or onion powder for that extra punch of flavor. But remember, the meat itself is the main act. We don't want to overpower it, just enhance its natural goodness. Now, it's time to shape our patties. Grab a handful of your seasoned meat and gently form it into a ball. Then, flatten it into a disc. The key here is to touch the meat as little as possible. Overworking it can make your patty tough and dry. We're aiming for a juicy, tender bite, so tread lightly. Alright, on to cooking. You'll want to grill or fry your patties for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. This should give you a nicely seared, slightly charred exterior and a pink, juicy interior. Remember to let your patties rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a succulent, mouth-watering bite. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, juicy burger patty. We're in the home stretch now. It's assembly time. Now, the order in which we stack our ingredients might seem trivial, but it plays a crucial role in delivering that perfect, balanced bite every time. So let's get on with it. First, lightly toast your buns. This not only adds a touch of crunch, but also creates a barrier, preventing the sauce from making the bun soggy. Now, slather the bottom bun with your chosen sauce. Be generous. This is where a lot of flavors are going to come from. Next, the patty. Place it right on top of the sauce. It's the star of our burger after all. Follow it up with a slice of cheese. The residual heat from the patty will melt it just enough to make it ooze. That's the dream, isn't it? Now for some freshness. Layer on crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a few rings of raw onions. The crunch and freshness of the veggies, they'll provide a delightful contrast to the rich, savory patty and cheese. Top it off with a dollop more sauce on the upper bun to ensure flavor in every bite. And there you go. Place the top bun on the tower of deliciousness you've just built. And voila! You've just made a perfect mouth-watering burger at home. So, you see, making the perfect burger at home isn't rocket science. We've walked through the steps together, unveiling the ingredients, preparing the patty, and finally assembling the burger. Now it's your turn to don the chef's hat and create your own culinary masterpiece. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. There's a world of flavors waiting to be discovered. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go on, make your perfect burger. Until next time, happy cooking.